are you explaining?
Traffic signals and rules and signals.
Okay. Okay, go ahead. Don't be shy. Don't worry. Okay. Just speak up.
The project is good. Speak. Can you? Can you speak or not?
Yes, sir.
Who will speak?
The rotation is from west to east, which causes day and light. The Earth emits 0.06 seconds. The rotation is from west to east, which causes day and light. What is revolution?
Revolution means the spinning of Earth around the sun. It results in seasons. It takes 365.5 days. It takes 365.5 days for one whole rotation. Because it takes 365.5 days, every 4 years we get 366 days, resulting in a leap year. Thank you.
What is
The revolution. The revolution is the axis.
That's okay. What did you use to complete this project? What are these items?
two plates and the marbles to rotate the
And this two?
spheres?
And why are you using this?
To
Rotate this one. Solar power irrigation system, sir. When the sun falls on the solar panel, sir, and it will take a controller. Controller will give the electricity to the pump, and the pump will take the water from the pond and it will transfer to the tank, sir. And the tank will give the water to the crops. This is solar power irrigation, sir. It will is the low cost of electricity and fuel, sir. Absorption of water in the root system. Start. Good morning to everyone. My name is K. Geeta Ravishna. I am studying 6th class Blueberry. Our biology madam name is Vijay Kumari madam. The science project name is absorption of water in the root system. Now you should take two plastic glasses and pour two plastic glasses and two plants and pour water on it. Later we
Water is in different color.
Sir, we have to soak the root absorb the color water, sir. The plant will change into color water. In the same way, the plant will absorb the water and minerals. Up to the plant.
Blueberry. Today our project is hydraulic lift. An hydraulic lift is an object by moving in a force of partial pressure of an amount of types. Personally,
Hello, my testing. Hello, my testing. Hello, my testing. Hello, my testing. నువ్వేంద్రా వెనకాల
because it's what it consists of rocks and minerals.
Okay. Okay. And what are exterior planets?
Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are called
Okay.
because they consist of gases, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Space, sir. And this was invented by Dr. Robert Gardner in 1926, sir. And this was useful to many of the scientists to launch in space, sir. And we launch satellites in this space, sir. By the satellites, we know the weather information, telecasting, communications, sir. And nowadays, many of the countries are launching rockets, sir. And this was the first invention, sir, of the Dr. Robert Gardner.
Yes, Alera.
It consists of three parts: outer ear, inner ear, middle ear. Outer ear consists of pinna. Middle ear consists of authority canals, and inner ear consists of eardrum and osculcola. Authority nerves.
Terminals.
Egg hatching machines.
What is it?
Egg hatching machines.
Okay.
Egg rotating tracer. This one is egg rotating tracer. On 2 hours one time rotates her.
Already they are using these machines. In short period, last like short period. Will it hatch now?
No, sir. 22 days. 22 days and 21 days.
We have taken some more time.
Vasa differentia, a pair of epidermis, vasa differentia, a pair of seminal vessels, ejaculatory, a pair of corpus gland, prostate gland, urethra. Testes are located at the outside the testes are located at the outside the abdominal cavity within a punch called scrotum. There are highly colloid somniferous tubules are present. These are the main important to formation of sperm.
Sperm cell contains 23 chromosomes and 3 main parts: head, tail, middle piece. The tip of the head part is called acrosome. It breaks the wall of the ovum and it penetrates the egg of the female. Middle piece contains mitochondria. It supplies the for sperm phase. Mitochondria. It supplies the energy to the sperm movement. Tail propels the sperm to the female reproductive tract.
I myself, Gayatri of 10th standard. This is the structure of eye. We have eyelids, eyelashes, eyebrows, and laryngeal gland in our eyes. Yet, eyeball is present in the eye socket. It is the only 1.1/6 portion of the visible to us. Our eye contains mainly three layers: sclerotial layer, choroidal layer, and retina. The outermost thick white covered layer is called sclerotial layer or sclera. The second layer is choroidal layer, which is in black color and contains lot of blood vessels. The third layer is retina. We have in two parts in retina: cones, rods. Cones which identify the colors, retina which identify the intensity of light. Thank you, sir.
Very good explanation, Anna.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Chinnavenkeshwar Reddy. I am studying 9th class and I am from Bellanki. This is India Gate. The India Gate is one of the most iconic landforms of India and it is located in New Delhi. It was designed a memorial dedicated to the Indian soldiers who lost their lives for fighting for the British World War One and Third Anglo-Afghan War. It was designed by the Sir Edwin Lufthansa, one of the most renowned architects of his time. The construction of the India Gate was began in 1921 and was completed in 1931.
Do you know where this is located in India? India Gate.
Good morning, sir. My name is Chan Kaushik Kapuri and I am studying 9th class. I am from Jagannathpuram. So this is waterfall. I made it by using cement pipe and some bent pipes. So in this project, the concept involved is air pressure, sir. So the air pressure is the concept involved in this motor. So, in reality, we know that water has high intensity and it flows from high place to low place. But in 1687, a scientist, a French-born inventor, Denis Papin, had invented a machine that from which we can pass the water from low place to high place. So we use this. We use this water pump in irrigation of agriculture, and when we are removing the water from drainage, so we will use this. That's it. Sir. Thanks.
Is it working now?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Nice.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. This is a structure of nucleus. This nucleus is discovered by the Robert Brown in the year of 1831. Generally, the maximum size of this nucleus is about 20 to 25 micrometers, and the width of the DNA present in it is 2.5 nanometers. This nucleus helps in the transformation of inheritance from parent to progeny. There are 23 chromosomes contained in a nucleus, and there are 46 chromatids in this. These chromatids contains the genetics of the human body. There are three structures in this nucleus. This nucleus contains of nucleus envelope, nucleus sap, and nucleus membrane. The outer layer of this nucleus membrane is made by the envelope, and it is formed by the enhancing of nucleus. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. My name is Vintasi. This is rainwater harvesting. Rainwater is the harvesting sources of collecting water when falls and using when there is water scarcity. When rain falls, the tank collects rainwater. This way, water filters the water, and this passes through the well, which can used by daily users and drinking water. This is the source when there is water scarcity. Thank you, sir. Filtration, sir. Filtration.
Going to explain about human female reproductive system. In human female reproductive system, there are four parts: a pair of ovaries, fallopian tubes, ureter, vagina. Ovaries are female sex organs. Ovaries helps in production of female gametes and female sex organs like estrogen and progesterone. Estrogen helps in the development of secondary sexual characters in age of adult. Progesterone helps to implement embryo. Fallopian tubes. Fallopian tubes are present on either side of ovaries. Uterus. Fallopian tubes are also called oviducts. At end of fallopian tubes, there is border funnel-like opening which receives ovum and helps in fertilization process. Uterus. Uterus is the central part of female reproductive system. Uterus is covered by three layers: endometrium, mesometrium, and perimetrium. Endometrium undergoes continuous cell division and endometrium undergoes continuous cell division, and when it is thickened, it is ready to receive zygote. When ovum is released, it combines with the sperm cell and fixes on the wall of uterus. Vagina is one part of the female reproductive system which helps in transportation of sperm cells into female reproductive system.
And what is this called at this stage? These are the different stage of life.
Embryo development, sir.
Embryo.
Yes.
Good morning, sir. This is Ami. I am going to explain about human embryo development. After fertilization, that means uh, fusion of male gametes and female gametes, zygote will be produced. This zygote undergoes into many mitotic divisions and forms, and some cells are in the embryo called embryo. Some cells are attached to the walls and embryo.
So do you know what it is called when it is in the womb?
Sir?
This child. Do you know?
Fetus.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. I myself, SK Charishma Meera from 10th standard. Today I am going to explain about excretory system. Excretory system is a biological vital system in the human beings. Excretory system composed of two kidneys and a renal vein and a renal artery and a urinary bladder. The deoxygenated blood enters into the renal arteries through the kidneys from the through kidneys, sir, and the oxygenated blood carries through the renal vein to the urinary bladder. To uterus carries the waste products from the kidneys to urinary bladder. During urination process, the urine expels from the urinary bladder through the urethra.
Good morning, sir. I myself, D. Sahasra from 8th class Strawberry. Now I'm going to explain about structure of a plant cell. Cell wall. Cell wall provides the shape and the strength to the cell wall, to cell and the plant. Plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is also called as a cell membrane. It provides the it provides the energy from the, it converts energy from the sun to form a basic structure carbohydrates. Nucleus. Nucleus is the place where DNA is stored. Vacuole. Vacuole is used for food storage and plays a role in food conservation. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. I myself, P. Namrata, I am studying ninth class. This is the human digestive system. The human digestive system includes the mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, anus. It also includes the liver, gallbladders, pancreas. The human digestive system made up of organs that are important for digesting food and liquids.
Do you know what happens at each stage? Do you know what happens at each stage? How it will pass?
Good morning, sir. My name is Hansja. I'm studying ninth class Strawberry. Today I'm going to discuss about circulatory system. Circulatory system is a system which circulates water, which circulates blood from heart to all other parts of the body. It is also called as cardiovascular system or vascular system. The circulatory system was described by William Harvey. It consists of three parts: heart, blood vessels, blood. Heart. Heart is a muscular organ. It is located roughly at the thoracic region and turns slightly towards left. The study of heart and its functions is called cardiology. It has four chambers. It has four chambers. It has four chambers. It has four chambers. The upper chambers are called arcils and lower chambers are called ventricles. Arcils and ventricles are divided by grooves. Heart is a major organ for circulatory system.
Good morning, sir. I will say about the functioning of the heart, sir. Firstly, blood flows from anterior and posterior parts of the body through the superior and inferior vena cava. This is this is left ventricle, this is right ventricle, this is left auricle, this is right auricle. Then the blood is collected from inferior vena cava and superior vena cava. Then the blood is flows to right and left auricles, sir. Then from the left and right auricles, the blood flows to right and left ventricles through septa, means by tricuspid walls, sir, means the blood flows through these walls, and the blood then flows through pulmonary artery and aorta. The river in the aorta and pulmonary artery, the walls are present, which does not allow the reversal flow of blood. And this is the continuous process which occurs in the heart for circulation. I'm studying 8th class Strawberry. This is then and now, sir. How our then and now, how our earth get polluted now, and there is greenery, sir, here then, and no factories at all. We have green grass and all animals, windmills, all greenery have, sir. But today we have yes, sir. Our now, sir. Now we got factories, and our air is also getting polluted, and our water is also getting polluted, sir. Now, and because of factories and throwing garbage in lakes and rivers, and burning crackers in festivals, like that, we only polluting our environment, sir.
This was about respiration. First, respiration starts from nostrils. These were known as nostrils. Then air was passed into nasal cavity. Nasal cavity contains mucus, which remove dirt from air we breathe. Next, it was entered into epiglottis, which is known as pharynx. This was the pathway which divides air and food. If it was absent, it will be maybe led to death of man. Next, it was led to larynx. Larynx was contained of vocal cords, which is responsible for our voice. After it was ends into windpipe. Windpipe is located in here. This was passage to next lungs. This was known as bronchi. This was divided into three types. This trachea only divided into bronchus. Bronchi was further divided into bronchioles. In bronchioles, after alveolus present. Alveoli, which covers about 160 meters square, which is similar to tennis court also.
Functioning.
When we inhale, this was diaphragm. When we inhale, yes, this was yes. Exhale means this air will come out and this will relax.
Good morning, sir. Today we are going to explain about human heart and its circulatory system. Mainly what is meant by heart means heart is a pumping organ of blood. How the blood flows from the heart to all body parts means from this way. When heart contains of 4 chambers. Upper 2 are called as auricles and down 2 are called as ventricles. The blood flows from heart to the body parts in this way. First, the blood flows from the left auricle and right auricle to the body parts, all body parts. And again the blood returns from the right auricle and right ventricle to the heart. In this way the circulation will be happen. And how the blood flows from one chamber to another chamber means the left ventricle consists of one tricuspid valve. When the chamber is filled with blood, automatically that valve will be opened. Then the blood flows to another chamber. In the same way, the right auricle and right ventricle also will be happen, but it contains of bicuspid valve. Where was the heart is located means the heart is located in the middle part of the body. It is safely presented in a rib cage. It is presented in the middle of the body and slightly bended to the leftwards. It is presented in the middle of the lungs. Now my friend Piyamni will explain about blood and blood vessels.
My friend Cartely explained about heart. Now I am explaining about blood vessels and blood. Blood vessels are turned into 3 types. They are arteries, veins, capillaries. Arteries carry more oxygen through heart and body parts, and veins carry more carbon dioxide through body parts to heart. The capillaries are the major part in the blood vessels. They connect the arteries and the veins. Blood was composed by the plasma
plasma and blood cells. Plasma is a fluid portion of the blood. Blood are turned into three types. They are red blood cells, white blood cells, and blood platelets. RBC contain RBC had hemoglobin, the red pigment that contain that helps the oxygen and carbon dioxide by trans in the we exhale and inhale. Thank
Good morning, sir. Now I am going to explain about internal parts of the flower. This is stigma. Stigma is also known as gynoecium. This is stamen. Stamen is also known as androecium. Male parts of the flower is called androecium. Female parts of the flower is called gynoecium. Here, this is known as styles. This is ovary. This is stamen. This is thalamus. This is pedicel. Now this is petals. The flower is the asexual part of the plants. This green part is known as called as stem. Stem had called as stalk. The stalk bears the head over to the head. It's called thalamus. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Rishana. Series. My name is Rishna. I am studying 6th class Strawberry. Today topic is series connection. Take 3 LEDs, 2 whites, 1 switch, 9 volts battery. One LED connect to wire and second LED connect to short leg to uh, second LED positive terminal. Next, first LED second positive second negative leg to positive second LED. Next second
Good morning, sir. My name is B. Shalika. I am studying 6th class. Today we introduce drip irrigation. It is mostly used in Rayalaseema and Guntur districts to water plants. Lack of water scarcity. From the well, they connect a pipe to tank, and the tank pumps the water to plants. Thank you.
Is it a home irrigation system?
New technology to water the plants.
Maximum things are eco-friendly. We have
Ninth class, I want to talk about the chemical reactions about today, the double displacement reaction. Sir, this is barium chloride solution. Sir. When we add this barium chloride solution to sodium sulfate solution, then white precipitation is formed. Sir. This white precipitation is due to double displacement reaction. Sir. After mixing of these both chemicals to the sodium sulfate solution and barium chloride, then the form gives rise to sodium sulfate solution. Sir. This is due to the double displacement reaction. Sulfate solution is in blue color, sir. When we add rusted iron nail after few hours, it changes into green color. This is because due to the displacement reaction, sir. Here displacement reaction is taken place. This is commonly first time, sir. When we added the first time to the iron nail to it, it is in blue color. After few hours, it changes into green color. This is called displacement reaction, sir. Thank you, sir.
what is it?
My experiment is just double displacement reaction, the same, but with another chemicals. When adding a sodium nitrate, sir, nitrate solution. We take sodium sulfate solution.
Don't be nervous.
when this sodium sulfate solution is added to also this sodium nitrate is barium nitrate is added to sodium sulfate, it forms white precipitation. This is due to double displacement reactions.
Sir, this is potassium permanganate chemical. Sir. This is potassium bichromate. Color of potassium permanganate is white color. Potassium bichromate color is orange color.
Answer 9 class, sir. Our activity name neutralization, sir. In acids react with bases and use salt and water. So I want to show it experimentally, sir. This is a base, acid, and this is an acid. Neutralization. This is hydrochloric acid. HCl, sir.
Acid.
Sodium
Base.
This is a base. Sodium hydroxide.
When they both combine, they will give salt and water.
And the methyl orange indicator is also added to the methyl orange indicator is added to the acid, sir. Acid. When acid when it is added, you can see that red color precipitation is formed in the acid. So if we add a base to the acid, then we can see that slowly the red color disappears from the acid, sir. This slowly disappears. You can see yellow color also.
That is salt.
Yes, salt and water after doing.
Then how do you know H2O is separated?
H2O is separated when it is formed yellow color, sir. Changes of color. You can slowly disappear of red color. When acid, because of more content of base in the acid, sir.
Then we take a unknown solution, and when we add a phenomenon indicator to it, it changes into colorless. So the substance of the nature is acid. When we take another unknown solution into a test tube, and we add methyl orange to it, it turns into red. So the nature of this substance is acid. When we take another unknown solution to it, when we add a phenomenon indicator to it, it turns into colorless. So the nature of the substance is acid. So it is base. It is methyl orange. When we add phenolphthalein indicator, when it turns into colorless, the nature of the substance is acid. When it turns to pink, the nature of the substance is base.
This is turmeric indicator, sir. When we add with the
Do you have any example for colorless one?
No, sir. When we add beetroot juice into any unknown solution, it turns into pink, sir.
Sir, now today I am going to test about pH scale. pH scale is used for the strength of acids and bases. This is the indicator of soap water and turmeric. It turns into blue. This is weak base.
This is
Weak base.
okay.
This is the indicator of turmeric and orange juice. It remains same yellow color. This is weak acid. This is the indicator of beetroot and soap water. It turns into red. Strong acid. So this is the indicator of beetroot and detergent. Turns into violet. This is a weak base.
Removed by the burning of fuel. In our local areas, people do an activity called the gosbe. This is one of our traditional activities. The going inside of water, the people think the gosbe is collecting in the form of water. But the reason behind the process is
When we keep the glass in the on the burning candle, the flame slowly stops burning and the water in the plate goes inside the glass. So air is necessary for the burning of the candle.
as a science students, we have to away from this kind of activities. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Siri. I am studying 8th class Blueberry. Today's topic is ozone layer. Ozone layer is discovered in 1913 by the French physicist Charles Fabien Herenbuchen. The ozone layer is a protective layer of our Earth. The empirical formula of ozone layer is O3. It protects us from the harmful ultraviolet radiation of our sun. It produces harmful ultraviolet radiation. Thank you.
Explain చేయండి.
Hi, good morning. My name is Okita. I am studying first class. My school name is Sri Akshara High. My class teacher name is Trivedi Madam. My project name is traffic lights. It is 3 colors. Those are red, yellow, green. They choose
So what color it is?
red.
So red color means okay, and yellow?
Yellow.
Yellow means